Well, it's spring. Let's go do some gardening. Or not. Yes, this is spring in Wisconsin. They're not minding it. Um, we're not even bothered to shovel yet, but I do need to come out here because you can see that we need to rescue some plants here. So here's the kind of gardening we're going to do today. Got to be careful on the stairs here. This is my tool. So take a look at how everything is just bending. Now, we're not worried about this hydrangea. That's going to be pruned if I can ever get to it, weather-wise. But this serviceberry is not supposed to be a weeping tree. You can see this dogwood right here is really starting to flop around. This is really heavy, wet snow. So we're just going to do one of these. And it's just sort of a little, it's not like swiping the snow off. It's just a little bop from the bottom. Because these spring snowstorms are just, I mean, it's practically rain in terms of moisture content. Oh, there we go. So much better. Already standing up better. There we go. There. Rescued that dogwood. Next, I guess we could get these are the two birch trees that were in containers. I moved them to this spot for winter to keep them out of the way, but also not supposed to be weeping trees. Next up, let's go rescue the serviceberry. I'm not gonna lie, it's very pretty here. It's just that when you're a gardener in particular, and you want it to be, I don't know, like transplanting things, maybe not the weather you were looking for. Hi, Dorothy. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Come on, let's go. The birds are out and about, as they would be. I can't fully explain to you just how enormous these Norway spruces are. When I see these labels that say they get to be like 40 feet tall, I'm thinking, nope. Anyway, the branches, though, just hang all the way down. This one is limbed quite the ways up too, and it's touching the ground here. I'm just walking over here, and there's a big thuja over here, and the top broke off it. So there's that. Looks like a whole bunch of the rest of the plant came down with it. All this is the top of this cedar. Here's the hornbeam hedge. You can actually see it better in the snow than you can without the snow. These are all the new ones that we planted this year, and the bigger ones at the end are the previous ones. But you can see much better where these are. They're all much taller than they look right now. Remember, I measured these all because the snow's quite a ways up at this point. They're all basically at 9 feet tall. They're taller down there, actually. These limelights are looking particularly sad right there But again, they're all due for pruning as soon as the weather allows.